Hey there, welcome back. In my last video, we dove deep and learned about the sounds of F and V. If you happen to miss it, click to the channel and check it out. It would be a good idea to do that lesson before this one. In this lesson, you're going to learn about the hissing sounds and the voice sounds that are similar. A hissing sound, also known as a sibilant sound, is basically just a rush of air escaping your mouth. The three sibilant sounds are s, sh, and ch. They're voiceless. They're made without using your voice box. Each of these three sounds have a best friend, or that happens to be voiced. They're z, zh, and j. Repeat these examples for the S sound. Say the words, but focus on saying the s sound. Please repeat. Sun, cell, sound, sage, lesson, dressing, massive, classy, kiss, miss, mass, lass. Now, the Z sound. This sound comes from your voice box. For a detailed explanation about how this happens, make sure that you watch the Sounds of F and V video on this channel. It'll really help you a lot. Okay, let's go. Repeat. Zoo, zip, zig, zag, easy, cheesy, amazing, phrasing, ease, cheese, amaze, phrase. Now, let's practice the sounds in similar sounding words. This will help you hear the difference between them. This would be a good exercise for you to record yourself. Just use your smartphone as you repeat after me and see if you can tell the difference between each word. Please repeat 2 words at a time. Sip, zip. Sue, zoo. Sown, zone. Fussy, fuzzy. Muscle, muzzle. Loose, lose. Device, devise. Great. Now let's move on to the next pair, sh and zh. Repeat these examples of the sh sound. Show, shower, she, sham, nation, washing, gnashing, mention, dash, wish, dish, mesh. Now the zh sound. This sound is voiced and it comes from your voice box. This sound doesn't appear at the beginning of any words. It's usually in the middle or at the end. Please repeat. Pleasure, measure, decision, usual, beige, mirage, garage, massage. All right, and now the next pair of sounds, ch and j. Let's start with the ch sound. Chew, chuck, cherry, chase, teaching, nature, question, exchange, march, reach, watch, such. And finally, the j sound. Please repeat. Jam, jelly, jump, judo, major, ages, education, injury, large, message, knowledge, huge. Okay, great. You've done a great job practicing repeating what I'm saying. But now, I want you to focus on listening. Remember that listening is an important part of learning how to speak a new language. You'll see a sentence, and then under the sentence, you'll see two answers. All you have to do is say the correct answer, and then listen to me give the correct answer. Then ask yourself, did you choose wisely? All right, here we go. It's on your face. Chin. It's on your leg. Shin. You have to decide. Choose. Watermelon and apple are tasty. Juice. I don't want to take an airplane. I'll take a ship. I just want to taste your drink. I'll take a sip. He wasn't being serious. He was joking. The food went down the wrong pipe. He was choking. You should make your bed. It's a chore. The land along the edge of the sea. It's a shore. Well, thanks for watching today. If you'd like to have a more personal experience learning the American accent, please come join me in my class at DELC in Wat Damakai in Pathumthani, Thailand. Sign up for an in-class experience or sign up for an online experience with other students. Just click the link in the description below. See you next time. Sawasdee krap.